My name is Srinivas. We are a family of about 6 people here in our house. And ever since this remedy clinic was open, I think almost 9 years back, we have been coming here for various treatments here. All my family members have come here and used his services in getting treated for various illnesses at different times. There, what I like about his way of treatment is understanding the patient's history, their medical condition, their body conditions here, and mixing the traditional treatment of allopathic treatment with the other therapies, which I was not aware actually before coming to Remedy. I never knew that there were different kinds of other therapies which were there to add to the treatment which he gives through the other medications here. So what happens is this kind of treatment helps the patients to recover much faster compared to any other kind of treatments outside when I had been to other doctors earlier there. So this way it also gives us a confidence when we know that the alternative therapies is additional to the other treatment through the medications here. So it gives kind of confidence to say that okay, I can get recovered much faster than the normal times here. He has a lot of sympathy, and during the COVID times also he was the person who never shied away from meeting patients here. So I remember when I was just getting this COVID here, I came here. What happens is when the doctors are there sitting next in front of you, though you have a COVID, most of the doctors fear, when the patients come here, and even the nurses were here very good at that time there. So of course they were protecting themselves through various means. But what happened is he has understood the patient's conditions and helped a lot of my family members when they were diagnosed with COVID here, and through the teleconsultations and the medications. So that really helped us when we know that there is a family doctor here who can take care of us in any kind of emergency. I remember several times when my mother could not come all the way here, he took his time to come and meet at our home, and along with sister, the nurse, and give the treatment there. So that way it gives me confidence that if I'm not able to come, he still is there to come home and give me a treatment there. Knowing him for that he has got a lot of experience abroad and in UK, that adds to our confidence about the doctor's ability and about his knowledge of medicine and all that. So I'm really happy that I'm coming here. In fact, I'm here for my mother's treatment here, and I'm also down with some viral fever, and I'm just recovering from that. So when I come here, it really gives me confidence that my family members, my brother's family members, they've all come here and used several times and at different occasions for different kinds of illnesses here. So that way we are really happy that we have a very good neighborhood doctor who understands the other patients' conditions, health, and the nurses are also very sympathetic, very loving and caring here, and that really helps the patient, when they come here for the treatment, that there is somebody who really takes care of us. The therapies, particularly now that my mother is taking this therapy here, this ozone therapy here along with the other medications, the last 3 days she has been taking this therapy here along with the other medication. I see that there's a lot of difference within very short while of about just 3 days. Her condition has improved so much that she's feeling much better here along with the medications and the other therapies like the laser therapy and the ozone therapy, adding to the medications. The recovery time has become much faster, and my mother is aged 85 years now. Now she's feeling confident. I myself, as is her son, when we know that she's improving with short time of 3 days, really it helps us to understand and feel much better when I come here for the Remedy Clinic. Apart from the therapy which I have taken, see, I'm a person who always Google. I know that he's giving ozone therapy here. So the last 2 days I was just going through the YouTube channels about the ozone therapy, and there is a lot of not only the international doctors away from abroad, and also in the Indian other people who have been giving this ozone therapy. I have confidence in what he's doing. But when I get that this therapies really help the patients, I would certainly recommend this kind of therapies along with the traditional medications which the doctor prescribes. It means a lot to add to our Dr. Karthikeyan, a family friend, a very nice person, very nice, understands, because he understands the elderly people's treatment is different from the youngsters' treatment. So it's a lot of though the elderly people keep questioning the same thing again and again, he has the patience to answer back and give her confidence, saying that she will be much better with this kind of treatment here. So that really adds to the doctors, apart from the medical knowledge, the other things which about knowing about the patient's psychology and their issues. When they understand that, it makes things easier for others, family members. We have seen over last 9 years, he has grown with the different kinds of adding to the different kinds of therapies here, which was not there earlier when he started off. So I only wish that Dr. Karthikeyan sets up a good 15-20 bed hospital in this vicinity, where we really lack good hospitals at a short distance. There are hospitals which are very long distance, but when we have a good doctor with other facilities and where the inpatient facility is also there, it will really help us. So I only wish that Dr. Karthikeyan thinks about this multi-bedded hospital. I only wish that he does that. Thank you.